Finally, an air fryer that has it all. The Chefman TurboFry Touch makes mastering weeknight meals easier than ever. With effortless one-touch digital control and 4 built-in cooking functions, you can cook your favorite foods to the perfect fried finish every time. No matter if you're in the mood for crispy chicken, a medium-rare ribeye, or golden fries, this appliance helps you cook with confidence. The adjustable temperature of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the ability to add or subtract time allows you to tailor your air frying. Worried about overcooking? An LED reminder tells you exactly when it's time to give your food a shake to ensure even cooking every time. Air frying for the family has never been so convenient. The Nonstick 5-quart basket capacity allows you to feed a whole crowd, while still maintaining a compact footprint on your countertop. The matte black exterior wipes down simply with a damp cloth and the accessories can be tossed right in the dishwasher. Chefman has you covered. With a 1-year assurance, you can purchase and cook worry-free. This product is Cetl approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Here are the key features of Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer 5-quart. Unparalleled cooking precision. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer puts the power of culinary precision at your fingertips. Equipped with 4 pre-programmed cooking functions, this appliance takes the guesswork out of meal preparation. Craving crispy perfection? Simply select your desired mode, program the cooking time and temperature, and let the air fryer work its magic. The result: an array of delectable dishes that will leave your taste buds tantalized. Tailored cooking experience. Customize your cooking journey with the Chefman TurboFry Touch's adjustable temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This innovative feature enables you to fine-tune your cooking process to achieve culinary excellence, whether you're whipping up golden French fries or a juicy ribeye steak. With the ability to add or subtract cooking time, you're in complete control of your culinary destiny. Even cooking every time, say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is equipped with a built-in LED reminder that ensures your food receives a thorough shake for even cooking. This thoughtful feature guarantees that every bite is as crispy and flavorful as the last, elevating your meals to a whole new level of deliciousness. Feast for the whole family. Prepare to impress even the most discerning palates with the Chefman TurboFry Touch's 5-quart basket capacity. Designed to accommodate family-sized portions, this air fryer effortlessly caters to your loved one's culinary cravings. Whether it's a sumptuous feast or a casual dinner, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has you covered. Effortless cleanup and durability. Experience the joy of cooking without the hassle of cleanup. The TurboFry air fryer boasts a sleek matte black exterior that complements your kitchen decor while being easy to clean. After creating your culinary masterpiece, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. Plus, the dishwasher-safe accessories and non-stick basket ensure a carefree cleanup, allowing you to savor the satisfaction of your meal without the stress of chores. Invest in quality and confidence. Rest assured, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is built to last. With Cetl approval and advanced safety technology, this appliance stands as a testament to durability and reliability. As an added assurance, Chefman provides a 1-year warranty, allowing you to embark on your culinary adventures with peace of mind. In a world where convenience meets culinary finesse, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer emerges as an indispensable kitchen asset. From its intuitive controls to its family-friendly capacity, this appliance transforms everyday meals into extraordinary experiences. Elevate your cooking prowess, embrace healthier frying, and relish the culinary wonders that await you.